Today we are going to dive headfirst into something truly special, something that is really hot these days. We're talking about the Scandi Girl Makeover. Stay patient and you will learn more about this clean girl concept. Imagine walking through the charming streets of Copenhagen. Imagine walking through the charming streets of Stockholm. You see women who look so effortlessly put together, so chic yet so comfortable. They radiate a quiet confidence that isn't loud or demanding attention, but you can't help but notice them. The Scandi Girl Makeover is about refining what you already have. It has its roots in Nordic principles of design and life: simplicity, functionality, and quality over quantity. Now let's get to the juicy part. The clothes. The foundation of the Scandi Girl wardrobe is built on minimalism. This is thoughtful, curated minimalism. Rich with texture, impeccable tailoring, and subtle details. It's about having a closet full of high-quality essentials you can mix and match. Black, white, gray, beige, navy. But here's the fun part. The Scandi Girl loves a strategic pop of color. A pastel pink handbag, or a pair of playful printed trousers. Layering. A crisp shirt under a cashmere sweater, collar and cuffs peeking just so. A tailored blazer thrown over a simple t-shirt and jeans to instantly elevate the look. An oversized knit with slim-fit trousers, organic cotton, wool, linen. These items feel more luxurious and stand the test of time. Buy less, buy better. It's smart, responsible, and incredibly chic. Alright, let's move on to the face, because the Scandi approach to beauty is just as refreshing and thoughtfully curated as its fashion. It's not about chasing fleeting trends or masking your features. Instead, it's deeply rooted in a philosophy of wellness and legum, the art of finding balance. It's about enhancing your natural beauty, not hiding it, creating a look that feels effortless and authentic. The absolute #1 priority is skincare. This isn't just a step in a routine, it's the entire foundation. The goal is to get your skin so healthy and luminous on its own that makeup becomes an optional accessory rather than a necessity. It's about investing in your skin's long-term health. The routine itself is simple but consistent. It starts with a gentle cleanser that respects your skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, a powerful hydrating serum. Hyaluronic acid is your best friend here, acting like a magnet for moisture to plump the skin from within. This is followed by a rich, nourishing moisturizer to lock in all that hydration. And the final, non-negotiable step, sunscreen. Always, always, always. Protecting your skin from sun damage is the single most important thing you can do. When it comes to makeup, the philosophy is skin first. It starts with a lightweight base, like a tinted moisturizer or a sheer foundation, just to even out the skin tone while letting your natural texture show through. Then, a touch of creamy concealer is strategically placed just where you need it, like under the eyes to brighten things up. A rosy cream blush is patted onto the apples of the cheeks for a natural just-came-in-from-the-cold flush. The eyes are kept bright and open. Often it's just a quick curl of the lashes and a single coat of mascara, no heavy layers. Brows are kept full, natural, and brushed up with a little gel to frame the face. For the lips, think lip tints or balms that give a wash of color and a lot of hydration. The overall effect is radiant and fresh-faced. You look lit from within. So simplify your makeup bag. Keep essentials that enhance, not hide. Master the basics. Cleanse, hydrate, protect. The ultimate goal is to let your real skin shine through beautifully and unapologetically. So let's talk about the hair, the epitome of Scandi chic. It's all about embracing your natural beauty, not fighting it. This philosophy starts with hair health, which is why it's often air-dried, a gentle process that allows its innate texture to shine. Whether your hair is pin straight, wavy, or curly, the foundation is a great haircut, expertly layered for movement or bluntly cut for a modern edge. Styling is minimal. A mist of salt spray encourages a lived-in feel, while a drop of hair oil adds a healthy sheen. For a quick updo, nothing beats a classic claw clip, the Scandi Girl's best friend for an unfussy twist. When it comes to accessories, the approach is curated and intentional. A simple headband or a silk scrunchie adds polish without feeling overdone. Jewelry is personal, a quiet signature. Think 1 or 2 delicate necklaces, small timeless hoops, and a few fine stackable rings. These aren't trend-driven pieces, but cherished items worn daily. This philosophy of practical elegance extends to bags and footwear. A classic leather crossbody, comfortable white sneakers for cobblestone streets, and sleek ankle boots that transition from day to night. The goal is versatility and longevity. pieces that go with everything. But the Scandi aesthetic is more than physical elements. It's defined by that certain something, an intangible quality. It's the quiet confidence in her posture, the unhurried way she carries herself. This self-assurance isn't loud. It stems from a deep-seated comfort in her clothes, in her own skin, and in the life she has built. It's an authenticity that shines through. This inner contentment radiates outward in a genuine smile or an easy laugh. And that ultimately is the most captivating and beautiful accessory of all. While we often group them together, it's important to remember Scandi is not a monolith. Denmark, the Copenhagen girl. Playful, comfortable, sometimes colorful and quirky. Think oversized silhouettes, bold prints, and sneakers with dresses. Sweden, sleek, architectural minimalism with impeccable tailoring. The perfect black blazer and tailored trousers live here. Norway, rugged landscapes inspire durable outerwear and beautiful knitwear, functionality and warmth with modern urban edge. Finland, bold graphic prints, unconventional silhouettes, and an artistic quality. Here you'll find fearless use of pattern and personal expression. They share simplicity and functionality, but express it beautifully differently across the region. Appreciate the diversity. Adapt what resonates with you. You don't have to look far to see the influence of Scandi's style, from runways to the everyday streets. Designers like Gani, Cecilia Bonson, Stina Goya, and Rotate capture the spirit on the catwalk. On the streets you see high-low mixes, designer blazers with vintage jeans, oversized blazers with tees. Influencers and editors interpret the look in many personal ways. They are our digital guides. You can learn simple tricks online. Perfect waves, 5 ways to wear a white shirt, capsule wardrobes. The real magic is how people wear the clothes every day. This is where inspiration becomes attainable. Instagram and TikTok have spread Scandi to the world. Influencers make it accessible. Why has this style captured the global imagination? First, it offers a sense of calm and order. It's a visual deep breath in a chaotic world. It's inherently practical. Clothes you can move, work, and live in. In a post-pandemic world, comfort without sacrificing style is powerful. Buy less, buy better. The Scandi principle aligns with rising conscious consumerism. Invest in quality, repair when possible, and choose pieces that last. More than aesthetics. It promises authenticity, self-acceptance, and ease. This feels like a deliberate, thoughtful way to live, not a fleeting impulse. The Scandi look is smart, responsible, and accessible. Use it as a roadmap for timeless style. Feeling inspired? The best part is you can start this transformation right now with what you already have. It's a mindset shift, not a shopping spree. First, a good old-fashioned closet audit. This creates clarity. Open your wardrobe and be honest. What do you truly love? What makes you feel incredible the moment you put it on? Now, make a short intentional list, 3 to 5 items. This is where buy less but better comes in. Pick the best quality you can afford. Maybe a versatile blazer that elevates any outfit, a classic striped top, or chic white sneakers. Consider a timeless trench coat too. Next, your skin. Master the basics for that Scandi glow. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect with SPF daily. Healthy, hydrated skin is the true foundation. For makeup, enhance, don't hide. Swap heavy foundation for a tinted moisturizer, add cream blush for a dewy flush, groom brows, and use a good mascara. Let's build an outfit. Example 1. Straight leg jeans, a simple tee, your blazer, and sneakers. It's an effortless uniform that always looks polished. Or for example 2, a midi dress grounded with chunky boots and a trench. This look perfectly balances feminine and edgy elements for a practical, stylish day. Now, a 1-week challenge. Commit to your uniform and simplified makeup. Notice how you feel. You'll reduce decision fatigue and reclaim your mornings with ease. Remember, the vibe is also an attitude. Small gestures matter. Practice standing taller, rolling your shoulders back. A calm smile changes how you carry yourself. So, you'll build your timeless wardrobe, perfect your dewy skin routine, and cultivate inner confidence. These 3 pillars are interconnected, each strengthening the others. This isn't about becoming someone else, but the most authentic version of you. You look absolutely gorgeous. Now go on and embrace your inner Scandi girl. You've got this.